done ready, I have a day of errands and I'll take you along with me. I'm gonna try this one. Ta-da! Almost done. And suddenly the sky is beautiful as ever. I can't believe Halloween stuff is already out. Like, come on, we're in July. This melon is very nice and sweet and it's in Spain. My mom loved it a lot. You have to go that way. Shopping has been secured. I gotta go. Go that way. Oh no, the lift is broken. Damn it. We have to go around then. Food shopping center. And we're gonna go Primark.
These are the ones that are a little bit more cinched at the waist.
Kurami trousers.
That's actually cute.
You like Kurami?
Oversized, but this is large.
Athletic wear is here. Didn't you need those trousers? And the one and only PS5 with Call of Duty. I'll try as well. I heard it's quite good Call of Duty, but I don't know yet. Any thoughts?
Am I in the video?
Not your face.
Okay. I'm excited because I've also wanted to play it, so I'm gonna steal it from time to time from my aunt.
Well, yeah, let's go. It's car washing time. She's very dirty, my little Stella, so she needs a nice cleaning inside and outside. And just like that, the day is over. I have just done groceries and that's it. So now it's 9 p.m. I'm gonna probably get changed into my pajamas, read something, do some editing, maybe watch a movie with my sister, and then go to sleep for tomorrow. Tomorrow we might go on a hike, so I'm gonna try to use my Action 4 to record and take you along, so look forward to that. I don't mind anything.
Ice caramel?
Yeah, probably.
Decaf.
Decaf, yeah. This is my drink.
Let's see that.
It's fine. I'm holding my keys in my hand.
Oh, look, it matches me. I should have gotten that.
Coffee.
That's so cute. Oh my god, let me take a picture of that.
Twinsies.
Well,
But opposite.
actually.
We are as well. I'm wearing
Oh
cream.
my god, let's take that picture.
And you're wearing
Let's take that picture when we go
darks.
out and we're taking a picture of each other. Does that make sense?
Good. Oh, because I don't have the steering wheel. That sounds so far away. But yeah, we came to Love Life to get a quick coffee before we go to Ikea, and this is what I got. My matcha. They didn't have decaf. I would have gotten decaf, but these ladies.
Like this?
Yeah, that's cute.
Is it? What song should I put?
Why does it feel spicy?
It's not spicy. It's just vanilla.
Tasty. Feels like there is cardamom in there.
No, that's what the matcha. I remember the matcha tastes like this. It's really nice.
Is it?
Yeah, it's really nice. It tastes really raw.
Okay. Let's go to Ikea now. We have managed to get on the motorway. We will eventually get somewhere.
Alive.
It's a learning experience. There is a fire. Not sure if you can see, but the smoke is coming from the fire behind. Maybe that's why there is traffic. You can see that it's right there. Things towards the Warsaw area, it says. That was the exit. Hope everybody's okay though. Looks massive. Want to? This feels like the living room of, you know, an American housewife.
That's what
How she would decorate.
That's what I wanted to do.
Yeah, but our window is too high. Well, I've always wanted a chimney, you know. Inshallah, one day I'm gonna have it.
We have.
This is very cute. Can I get one from here? Doesn't have a QR. And this is adorable. They glued some stuff onto it. This place is a nice mood.
You know what would be nice? You know? Oh wow.
They're all around the same dimensions, 32.
They're still cute. It looks like in cards. I have my crochet flowers at my desk. Very cute indeed.
This is the kitchen of a person that is very mature but deep but old school. This is old school sink, but the blues and the contrast between the two gives off a very mature person but vintage old school.
I always wanted to have like that.
Very modern looking and very pink looking, this one. This is a dream, isn't it? Oh, this is the one I wanted to add. Look,
What
for the hooks, for the outfits as well.
Well, we don't have space in our wardrobe.
You can fit it outside.
Yeah, outside of the wardrobe we don't have space.
Yeah, between the shelves, yeah, you can. Look, it fits inside. Come in here. You fit it inside. If I ever have to design my whole house, I would come to Ikea and get it designed. Like, spaces for everything. Shoes, drawers for like bits and bobs. This would be my bookcase probably, rather than shoes. Bag section, definitely. Dresser,
And
a nice bed. A getting ready section right there. So we got seamstress, specialists. Oh wow, that's pretty. The dream of every Asian girl. Wow, that's stunning. You can see the kosa all organized here. Your purses organized there, your shawls nice and organized here, your dupatta organized there, your potli at the top, blouses and lehengas, the highlight. And this is your jewelry organization. I got these ones, but my drawers are too close to each other, so I can't put those. Maybe I can take them off and put that. I found the glass my mom wanted. She loves this glass, but every time I buy her one, somebody breaks it. So I'm gonna maybe get two for her. She's happy that way. This is a very good size pan for pancakes. This is 13 centimeter for £7 though. Or 17 centimeter. If I was a restaurant, this would be very cute. If you have a cafe that's vintage style or like princess style, you get one of these for the milk, and the teapot, you get it from there. Source it cheap.
That all restaurants have.
Oh, the standard glasses, yeah. Oh my god. Black. Look how stunning that is. Yeah.
Isn't it chai green that has it?
I think so.
Yeah, chai green has it like that as well.
If I had a house that I could decorate with my own will, I would literally make everything pink. Well, they were in the woman's body before. Oh, that's cute. See, I don't like the shape of these forks. I hate the shape of these forks. If I had a house that I could decorate on my own will and a lot of money, my house would be impeccable.
Should we get a new thingy for inside? Like something like this?
They can't be thick, it blocks the door.
Yeah, that's what I mean by smaller. You get me? It's smaller than what we have right now.
What are these? Oh, file organizers. Sort of like note and pencil holder. The best section, the light section.
Oh, this should have the lamp.
Are those the lamps you're talking about?
No, but they're cute. They're big though.
Let's check the ceiling lights first because we need a ceiling light for our room.
What's this? Wow.
Home Smart. You pair it with your light. I think it's smart light.
You know, you having these by the side of the mirror would be so good.
It's reduced pendant. This one here is quite cute. It's not too long. I think it might be a nice idea, this one. Maybe it's this one here. It's reduced as well, half price. Should we put this instead?
I think it's useful. We don't have to install anything, all we have to do is put it on.
Should we get this?
I think it would be nice.
I think it looks okay.
I think it looks nice.
Because it's the candle section, that's why.
This is a customer announcement. The time is now 4:45 and the store will be closing in 15 minutes.